Friends, most AI website builders can generate a decent-looking page, but turning a real business idea into a polished website that's actually ready to launch and improve over time is a completely different challenge. My name is Daniel, and today we're looking at Rocket, an AI platform for building production-ready websites inside one structured workflow. In this video, I'll create a real SaaS website from scratch and improve it using commands, visual edits, and structured iteration tools. I'll also connect business integrations, test staging and production workflows, and show how Rocket goes far beyond simple one-click website generation. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Folks, Rocket is an AI-powered platform built for creating production-ready websites inside one structured workflow. Instead of generating random mockups, Rocket focuses on the entire process, from prompting and editing to staging, publishing, integrations, and long-term iteration. The platform supports websites, landing pages, dashboards, web apps, and e-commerce experiences. But what really makes Rocket different is the combination of AI generation with real development workflows like visual editing, rollback protection, connectors, and production deployment. Guys, now we're inside Rocket's main workspace, and it's where the entire workflow starts directly inside the project section. Instead of generating random pages in isolation, everything stays organized inside one project from the beginning. So first, I'm creating a brand new project, and from here I'll build the entire website directly inside Rocket. I'm specifically choosing the build mode instead of solve, because I already know I want to create a real production-ready website. Rocket also shows prompt examples on screen, which helps structure the request properly before generation starts. Mates, the platform performs much better when the prompt is highly specific rather than vague. So I'm defining a clear business concept, a specific conversion goal, and a structured direction for how the website should actually function. In this case, I am building a roadmap learning platform designed for people struggling with chaotic online learning and unstructured educational content. I'm also defining the premium dark visual style, the core onboarding flow, and the main conversion target around free trial signups. Since Rocket requested creators to type prompts directly on camera, I am entering everything manually before launching the generation. Friends, once the prompt is submitted, Rocket immediately starts analyzing the request, preparing the workspace, and building the first version of the website. We can also see the platform grading the prompt quality in real time. The initial score is already fairly strong, but Rocket still asks a few additional clarification questions to improve the final generation even further. For example, it asks about navigation structure, accent colors, and overall visual direction. I am choosing a minimal navigation layout with only the most important links, plus a purple accent theme for the overall branding style. After the adjustments, Rocket improves the final prompt score even further before moving into full website generation. Folks, we can also see that Rocket is building the project using Next.js and TypeScript. That already makes the workflow feel much closer to a real production environment, instead of a simple mockup generator. And after a short build process, the first live preview of the website is already generated. Now we can review the website like a real visitor. The layout looks surprisingly polished, the sections feel structured correctly, and the premium dark theme works very well for this type of SaaS product. Guys, what's really interesting starts after the generation. Instead of regenerating the entire website every time, Rocket allows targeted edits directly inside the preview. For example, I can open Visual Edit mode, select individual elements on the page, and modify them directly without rewriting the whole prompt from scratch. Mates, for instance, these mentor cards currently feel visually oversized, so I can simply highlight the section and ask Rocket to reduce the card size. The system immediately applies the requested adjustment directly inside the layout. At first, Rocket slightly misunderstood my instruction, so instead of manually fixing everything myself, I use one of Rocket's / commands for a targeted layout correction. After running the quick layout fix command, the platform properly adjusted the section and made the cards much cleaner and more balanced visually. Friends, and this is another major advantage of the workflow. Every edit creates a new safe version of the project, which means I can review changes, compare iterations, and roll back to any previous state whenever I want. For example, I can instantly restore the earlier version before the card edits if I decide the previous layout worked better. Now that I've rolled back the earlier version and applied a more targeted Make Mentor card smaller adjustment, as you can see, guys, the layout looks much cleaner and more balanced. This version works much better visually, so I'm happy with the result. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. And once we reach a stable milestone like this, Rocket allows us to label and save the current state of the project before continuing development further. We can also inspect the clean code output, review the exact code differences between versions, and keep every iteration safely organized. This creates a much more controlled workflow compared to randomly regenerating pages from scratch. Folks, the platform visually tracks every single layout and code change made to the website. So if a future update breaks the design or negatively affects the layout, there's no panic involved. At any moment, I can simply hit rollback and instantly restore a previous clean version of the website before the bad changes were introduced. But visual design is only half of the workflow. For a real business website, the platform also needs to connect with external tools, capture leads, and support real operational workflows. And this is where Rocket's connector system becomes important. Guys, Rocket supports more than 25 native connectors directly inside the platform. For this educational product, I can connect tools that actually support the business behind the website rather than just the design itself. For example, I can connect Google Sheets, so free trial sign-up data automatically flows into a structured lead database inside the workflow. This makes the onboarding and lead collection workflow much easier to manage. Mates, I can connect Google Analytics to monitor traffic, measure conversions, track user behavior, and understand how visitors interact with the website after launch. And beyond that, Rocket supports many other integrations, depending on the type of project you're building. At this point, the website is basically ready for release. But in modern production workflows, you never push changes directly onto the live public website immediately, and Rocket handles this process very cleanly through staging and production environments. Friends, first I can publish the project into a staging environment. This creates a separate testing version of the website, where I can fully review the experience before going live. I can test forms, click through every section, review responsiveness, and even send the preview link to teammates or clients for feedback and approval. And only after the staging version is fully approved do I move the website into production. At that point, I can connect an existing custom domain or purchase a completely new one directly inside Rocket before assigning it to the production website. Folks, once the site is live, the workflow still doesn't stop there. Rocket also includes analytics tools that help monitor visitor behavior and understand how people interact with the website after launch. This allows the website to continuously improve based on real visitor behavior instead of assumptions. And honestly, this is the biggest difference between generating a random AI web page and actually building a real business-ready product. The entire workflow is structured around iteration and control, publishing, analytics, and long-term improvement, rather than one-click generation alone. Folks, what really stood out to me here is the difference between generating a random AI web page and building a website around a real business goal. Rocket keeps the entire workflow structured, so prompts, edits, versions, staging, publishing, and analytics all stay connected inside one system. I also like that the platform doesn't stop at generation alone. Commands, visual edits, rollback protection, connectors, and production workflows make the experience feel much closer to a real development environment rather than a simple AI website generator. Hopefully, this video gave you a clear idea of how Rocket works in practice and whether this type of AI-powered website workflow fits your projects. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.